I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel and home for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. That is now me don come with breaking news, me don come with updates, me get reports for my table wey I need share give the general public. And this informate my good people now about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Edo State. The cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Lawrence Edobo, and he na fashion designer. GUNM3N don give am RIP and they even comot the man head. And men dey suspect say na ritualist na go fit do this kind level. This incident so happen on Friday, wey be the 7th day of March for inside this year, wey be 2025, and the thing happen for inside Ebuatubu, Benin City, Edo State. The 43-year-old man was said to be coming home from a burial ceremony wey he attend on Thursday evening before GUNM3N come give am RIP and they come remove the man headpan. This incident, these levels wey happen for inside Edo State, e come make the men wey dey for inside the community come plaster in shock. They no believe their eye when they see human being like that for ground with no headpan. Now one countryman wey dey for area wey observe wetin sup, he now come dey yarn dey give tori people say make they don't mention him name as he wan give us informate. Tori people come agree and we come receive the man information. This man now dey yarn say this man so dem give RIP wey dem comot him headpan. Men know am well as fashion designer, and he get one shop like that for inside Eweka, for inside Ebuatubu, for inside Edo State, Benin City. According to the residents, according to the country person wey dey give information, he say according to wetin him hear, the man wey bear RIP so wey dem collect him headpan bin attend a funeral ceremony earlier that Thursday night. And after the ceremony, the man come dey waka by himself around 2 a.m. They go in house. Wey last one group of persons suspected to be ritualists come ambush am. They come attack the man and they come give am RIP and they come comot him headpan from him body. Then last after the men don commit the atrocity, after the GUNM3N don commit the jaguda activity, the suspects then so they come flee the crime scene. They come run finish. They come leave the body wey no get headpan for the side of the road. Then as the men they try to escape, one team of Edo State security corps come intercept them, come block them, and one of the suspects was caught with the man headpan. So based on say now security operatives they don't gbab this man, so they call the interrogate the man we carry another person headpan for him hand. The suspect so the GUNM3N we go remove person headpan from him body, come try to escape from interrogation. The man now try to leave the headpan run, but this men now they no agree at all. They make sure say them gbab am. They make sure say them catch am as they try to run. Then after every the Edo State Police Command, their spokesperson wey be Moses Yamu, for inside one statement wey he drop on Saturday, wey be the 9th day of March for inside this year 2025, come dey confirm the incident and arrest of one of the suspects. And Oga Moses Yamu wey be police that talk person come also dey yarn dey give the general public say currently the police they make efforts to arrest the remaining members of the suspected ritualist wey remove the fashion designer headpan from him body. Those men will be said they don't already escape, and now only one of them gbab. Oga Moses Yamu now dey yarn say those men will escape, they go make sure say they catch all of them complete, because say this man they don't already arrest go give them information. According to how talk they come aside from Oga Moses Yamu mouth, he say on the 7th day of March for this year 2025 at approximately 3 hours, operatives of Ebuatubu division alongside vigilante members, while they been dey on patrol for the area, they intercept and they can arrest one countryman, and they arrest him in possession of a fresh human headpan contained in a polythene bag. Then as they come they interrogate the suspect, so the suspect come carry the police, come go where the body dey. And this body no be lie, been dey along the road near Eweka shopping plaza. Then after after they come do some kind torchlighting, they come find out say this man, so this fashion designer, this man so where they give RIP now family member of Edobo Lawrence of #1 Osagi Street, Ebuatubu quarters. And last they come carry the man body go hospital for preservation while investigation they continue. Then while condoling with the family of the deceased, the man will be RIP so, the commissioner of police wey be Betty Otimehin come dey assure the family say the general public and the command no go rest at all until everybody wey dey involved in this hideous crime, until everybody now wey put hand give this man RIP are brought to the book. All of them must face the full wrath of the law. And also, the commissioner of police wey be Betty Otimehin come dey draw ear. She come dey sama warning, at the same time she come dey give advice to young country people. She come dey yarn dey give them now say in all their doings, in everything wey dem dey do, make dem make sure say dem seek legitimate means of making money rather than to come dey put hand into crime. Make e no be say dem want money, dem come go put hand for jagoda activities wey go last shame their future, shame their parents join and shame their offspring. And no be lie my good people, you know say even the Bible sef, the holy book talk am say money na the root of all evil, and e get why im talk am. Money now fit make person go put hand for jagoda activity. Money fit make man now go kpai im fellow brethren. Money fit make man now go scam im fellow brethren, and normally those kind levels e no make sense at all. That na why advice dey ground, that na why warning dey ground. Say in all your getting, make you get wisdom, make you get knowledge, because last na knowledge na be the koko. If you get sense, if you wise, you go find out say there are many legitimate means wey go fit take make money, and there are many legitimate hustle wey go generate you income. Even if you buy expensive motor, if you dey ride am for the streets of Edo State, nobody go worry you at all. But some men now wey don go use jagoda means take get their money, you go see am say dem no go get rest of mind, dem no go get peace, dem go dey fear, dem go dey hide. If dem enter streets now, men fit dey wey ready to gbab dem. Imagine say you dey waka for road, hand come dey point you say see am, and those kind levels normally e no make sense at all. And on this matter of insecurity, Reality Latest Gist wan pass advice and warning give the general public based on say e get how things be for inside Edo State, and the Edo State government plus security operatives dem dey try do the needful to make sure say everywhere is safe for the general public. But we as a country person, we get role to play unto the matter. Make we know where we dey go, and make we know the kind of time wey we dey go that place wey we wan go. Because last street no know family. If you go waka now enter wrong place now, and the wrong thing go come happen to you. And normally that na wetin men dey pray against. And normally men dey pray and work against those kind of levels. Now, and if you see something suspicious, if you witness jagoda activity, my brother, hide somewhere, they make you talk something. Call the nearest police station, make they come do the needful. So this, my good people, now the informate wey I get for the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. You know, now we be Reality Latest Gist. Now we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, we be Nigeria.